Every one of the 10 opportunities we will discuss today is a response to one of the three external forces. First, geopolitical fragmentation. Data sovereignty laws are forcing companies to re-architect global content delivery. Second, the trust crisis. AI-generated content and deepfakes mean audiences no longer take authenticity for granted. And third, signal loss. Privacy regulation and cookie deprecation have blinded the measurement systems marketers relied on for 20 years.
Content paradox is simple. Organizations need exponentially more content without exponentially more people. So the challenge is no longer creating content. The challenge is moving content through the organization efficiently. Today, a single campaign may require hundreds of content variations across channels, markets, languages, and audiences. Of course, generative AI can create those assets, but organizations still face manual approvals, compliance reviews, localization bottlenecks, and distribution delays. And that is why we're seeing the emergence of AI-orchestrated content supply chain.
So the industry is adopting what we call outcome autonomy. The enterprise defines only the outcome. I want this latency, this availability, this cost envelope, and AI agents start to manage traffic, performance, and security continuously to hit that target. We're starting to move to no human in the loop. Agents handle incident response, remediation, and software updates on their own. It's actually the highest impact opportunity in my journey because it has an impact score of 98, and we model its adoption as exponential from 2026 throughout all the way until 2035. It basically lets providers decouple revenue growth from operational complexity, and that's what makes it so important.
As organizations increasingly rely on AI-generated content, they can no longer simply claim content is authentic. No, they need to prove it. And that is the role of content authenticity and digital trust. We know that modern content platforms don't just store content. They establish provenance, they verify authenticity, and they create trust throughout the content lifecycle.
It's never trust, always verify. Applied to every device, every bot, every script, and every AI console. So the infrastructure layer must verify the identity and the integrity of every machine before it touches an API or a data enclave.
What's different basically is that in marketing, the agents, let's say, graduate from co-pilots to autonomous digital workers, and they get revenue accountability. So this is very, very important. Let's picture an ABM platform in 2026. And this is the best case scenario. So an agent would reach the target account. It would segment audiences on real-time intent signals, draft hyper-personalized outreach, schedules the sends, analyzes engagement, and if emails isn't working, it pivots to another type of channel, so display ads on its own. The strategic driver behind all of this is very simple: decoupling revenue growth from headcount growth. This is really breaking out. Retailer transaction data, verified purchases tied to real people, now powers advertising across the open web, connected TV, social, even digital billboards. Because in a post-cookie world, retailer first-party data is really the gold standard targeting currency. It's rooted in verified transactions, not inferred browsing. Retail media is projected to surpass linear television in global ad spend in 2026, with offsite activation as the primary growth lever. If our audience does only one thing in the next 6 months, guys, what should it be?
I'd say audit your content supply chain for agent readiness and start attaching content credentials to your most valuable assets now.
Geopenetration, if you're not already doing it. The basics of it is to map every workload and data set against the jurisdiction it touches, because you need to be able to answer to the where this data legally lives question.
Pick one revenue workflow, just one, and hand it to an agent with clear guardrails and a measurable outcome. And start the conversation with your retail media and clean room partner this quarter.